We're in the copy and paste era. Most of the things you want in life are already on the internet or somewhere. Just copy and paste. And the good news is even success is copy and paste. But many of you are neglecting how to copy and how to paste. In this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste your way to success. I'm an expert global business solutions expert and your real estate success strategist known as the mayor of Calgary. The business channel where I discuss only business and you can do business directly with me called My Ace TV, and you can check it out right here. This channel is my personal contribution channel where I'll be giving you exceptional values on business, personal finance, personal development, and life success. And I'll be doing that with a lot of fun because my one word is fun. And I always seek, teach, inspire, create, collaborate. You can just call me the contributor. Join the exceptional 5% that will watch this video to the end because you're very special people and you're rare. Welcome on board. Let's learn to grow rich together. Welcome to my daily insights into my daily quotes with my ace, where I give you a longer, deeper insight into my daily quotes for deeper secrets for your accelerated result. And today's quote says, if you know what successful people know and do what they do, you will get what they've got. 3 secrets to success. Number 1, know successful people. Ensure they are truly successful. Number 2, know what those successful people know and make sure you know them. Number 3, do what those successful people do and you'll become successful and get everything those successful people have gotten. So it's a copy and paste era and you can copy and paste success. So there are 6 things that are secrets of the rich that if you steal these 6 things and do these 6 things consistently, I assure you, you must definitely become rich. And the first is, what is the book list that the rich people read to become rich? When you meet a wealthy and successful man, don't be interested in his money. Be interested in asking him questions. And one of the best questions you can ask a successful person is, can you give me a list of the 10 most influential books in your life that made you? Buy those books. Don't just read them. Devour them until you become them. Number 2 is, every rich and successful person have coaches and courses. Find out the most important courses that the rich attended to become rich and the most important coaches that influence them. A lot of rich people have tried so many coaches and they will tell you some of the coaches are not worth it, but some are life-changing. So by just asking them, what is the most life-changing coach that turned your life around, they will tell you. Like my mentor Tony Robbins will tell you the most life-changing coach he had was Jim Rohn. And guess what? He was just 17 when he met Jim Rohn. And he was so hungry that he wanted to work for Jim Rohn. But Jim Rohn told him, for you to work with me or for me, you need to attend all my seminars. And Tony Robbins was so hungry, he went to the bank to borrow the money to pay for all the seminar and buy all the books. And the bank wouldn't give him money, but he was so hungry and passionate that a staff in the bank lent him that money, and the rest is history. So know their coaches and their courses, attend the same courses, and if you can afford, hire the same coaches, and you will become as rich as they are. The third thing, which is the greatest secret of the rich, is what the rich do every day, their routine. If you can just find out what the rich do every day, how many minutes they read every day, what they do when they wake up, when they sleep, when they eat, do everything. Jim Rohn said, even if he sees a rich man that walks in a funny way, he will copy the funny walk for him to become rich. So most rich people, like Warren Buffett, read 2.5 hours every day. Bill Gates read 3 hours every day. By starting there and doing what they do every day, you become what they've become and get what they've got. Number 4 is their money habits.
How many percent of their income do they invest? How long does it take most rich people before they buy luxury? Many of us just see the luxury, the Lamborghinis and the private jet, but some of them have had to save for 20 years and invest for 20 years before they start blowing the Lamborghini and the luxury. Find out how long and their money habits, what they invest in, how they invest, how they spend, and copy their money habits. The fifth thing you need to copy and paste, and the most important for rich people, is their association. What clubs do they go to? What associations do they go? What circles do they go? What events do they go to? And if there's anyone you can access, also go to the same event, enter the same circles, and you become what they've become. And finally, which is supposed to be number one, because all the reading and all the book list of the rich only helps to improve this one thing, which is their philosophy. What do rich people believe in? I recently saw a book titled by a Nigerian billionaire, Femi Otodola, and in that book, the big reviewer said, this man set a high standard and only accepts and executes excellent things. So when you have a philosophy from a rich people that they only do, buy, execute excellent things, and you buy that philosophy and copy it and only do, buy, and differentiate yourself with excellence, you become what the rich has become and start earning. But warning, you don't copy and paste their book lists, their coaches and courses, their routines, their money habits, their association and their philosophy today and become them tomorrow. There's a gestational period that you need to do enough of what you've copied for them before you start getting. Because the universe will want to test you whether you're really serious about becoming like the rich before it showers you with all the money of the rich. And if it tests you and it sees you consistently doing these things you copy and pasted, it will shower you with more money than you can ever finish. And remember, our quote for the day says, if you know what the successful know and do what they do, you will get what they've got. So tell me in the comments below, which of these 6 things did you not think was important that you needed to copy from the rich and paste in your life before now, that with this video it has opened your eyes to do that? I would love to read your comments below. All the copying and pasting will be rubbish, because if you don't have a dream and know how to get your dream life, you won't be able to become rich. So to make your dreams yours and see how you can make your dream yours, click on the link above and I'll see you on the other side.
Hey, Lele, this is super duper amazing that you found my content valuable enough for you to watch till the end. Only 5% of exceptional people do that. You're exceptional and I deeply love and appreciate you. Hey, Lele, don't just watch to learn, watch to take action. And the first action is subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss any of our daily value action. Remember, only doers are winners.